Welcome to DRB Tunnel Solutions training. In this training, we're going to take a look at open-priced, a la carte, and lobby products. Let's get started. In the latest version of Patheon, we've added the ability to add open-priced, a la carte products. For example, we could set up something like an extra dirty charge. Here, if we like, we can actually apply a service to it. In this instance, I'm going to go ahead and leave this here. I'll add a service. This is going to be a manual service that's just used to track extra dirty. It is going to be a pre-wash assessment that we do, and it's offline, so it means it's not going to turn anything on in the tunnel, and it doesn't need to be mapped. We're now going to go and set up an a la carte extra dirty product. We're going to add the service extra dirty. And we're going to take a look at the new open price question. When we say yes, you now have a minimum and maximum price. The minimum price we'll charge for extra dirty is $1. And the maximum price we'll charge is $15. This revenue will go to our wash profit center, and we'll go ahead and save. We'll go ahead and activate our product at our sites. We're going to take a look at the button that we've added automatically with the a la carte product. We'll go to the point of sale management page. And here we see the extra dirty charge. I want this to look like my other a la cartes, so I'll change it to yellow and save. We'll go ahead and publish this down to our site. Now that it's published on site, we can flip over to the terminal, and we can reload by clicking back and forth amongst the tabs. We now see the extra dirty charge. We'll go ahead and add a better wash. We'll add extra dirty to it. And now we have the open priced new dialog that comes up. It shows you the range of $1 to $15. We'll go ahead and type something that's below that range, such as 50 cents. And it doesn't meet the criteria. However, if we add another zero, we're brought to $5, which is between the $1 and $15 charge. Go ahead and submit that, and it'll add a $5 charge to the sale. Keep in mind that the taxability of this charge also honors what's set up in the portal. So if we go back to the portal, for example, and we take a look at that extra dirty charge, here we don't apply sales tax. This may not be a product, it's just an additional charge where we don't want to affect taxability. If it's something that we want to affect taxability, we can select yes and tell it that car washing services is the tax that we're going to use. So open price products can be taxed on the fly, and their tax will be calculated when you put the item into the sale. Let's flip back on over and take a look now. So we have 89 cents with tax on the sale. Make sure that we reload. The extra dirty charge of $5. And we see that the tax now has been updated. So that's an open priced a la carte product. Let's take a look at an open price lobby product. We'll go back to our products editor and click add product. We'll select a lobby product, and we will call this, here we can create something like air freshener pebbles, where the customer can select how many they purchase. Maybe we weigh them and charge accordingly to weight. We're going to go ahead and add a SKU number to barcode. We'll make this taxable. And we'll make it open priced. The minimum price is going to be $1. And the maximum price is going to be $50. In this instance, lobby products typically don't go to a wash profit center. If you're selling additional lobby products, you may want to go into the profit center section and add a lobby profit center or a store profit center for those items. I'll go ahead and select store. We'll go back to our product. Here it's going to be the pebbles. We'll edit the air freshener pebbles. And we'll make sure that the profit center they go to is store. We'll activate this product at our site. And we'll make sure that it looks okay on our terminal in the point of sale management screen. Go to the lobby section, and it's the only button there. Looks good to me. Let's hop on over and test it out. The lobby button doesn't exist yet because this is the first lobby product. We'll go ahead and click off and back on. We now have our lobby button, and we'll use the open price lobby product. We have the same dialog, although the range obviously is different specific to this product. We'll go ahead and type in a price of $2. The tax was updated, and we're all set. Cash out the sale, and we're done. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please send them to training@drb.com.